Hey guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Strolling in the park and watching winter turn to spring.
So in today's video, I am going to be doing a sell at cost haul. Now, I have seen a lot of sell at cost hauls online on YouTube, and I thought of doing one myself. And luckily, Sell at Cost reached out to me and they said that you want to be like a test customer, do you want to review some products? And I said yes, like I was totally on board to do that. And the best part was they told me that if you don't like any product, you clearly state that. So it's like a review video, like an honest review video. They did send me these products, but whatever I'm telling you guys in this video is going to be 200% like my own opinion. It's just genuinely what I feel about these products. So I did get a bunch of stuff from Sell at Cost, and all of this is just nicely displayed out for me to be able to explain it to you guys. So organizational skills, guys. So before I dive into the actual haul, I do want to let you guys know what Sell at Cost is basically. So whatever products I show, they're sold at the same price at which they're manufactured, which they're made. So the cost price is basically the selling price. That's why it's called Sell at Cost. Some of these you might also find at Club Factory or other retailers, and there is a huge amount difference, which I will be talking about in the video. So basically, they don't make any profit. No matter how many items you buy, it's all for you. They don't get anything out of this except the VIP fees. And as a VIP member, what do you get? There's special services, clearance specials, customized products. You also get a lot of other exciting benefits as a VIP member, so you guys should definitely check it out. Links in the description box below. You can get VIP for 1 rupee, and I'll tell you how. This is actually a very interesting thing. What you can do is get a group to buy VIP together. I will leave the invitation code to my group VIP as well, so if you guys want, you can be a part of my group from there. So without further ado, let's just get started. Now I also have all of the prices listed out on my laptop. I have the screenshots and everything, so I will be sure to keep checking and letting you know the prices as well. I've divided this video into 4 categories. We have earrings, necklaces, bags, and I believe we have something like stationery and accessories, and then there are also 3-4 other items that I couldn't classify into any category, so they're just like lying around somewhere. So we will be starting with the earrings section because I got a bunch of earrings. The first earrings we're going to talk about are the ones that I'm actually wearing right now. These are called vintage elegant earrings, and they retail for 41 rupees, which is a crazy amount for something so elegant and so like they're basically square shaped earrings, and they've got these white dots going all over, which look pretty, like really pretty, give a very elegant, a very royal vintage vibe. When I saw these, I was like, put it in the cart right now. So these are the first ones. Then moving on to the second earrings that we got. These are called round full rhinestone heart earrings. These are basically round in shape, and they've got these rhinestones going throughout, and they look so elegant. Like if you actually go to buy the real one, they'll probably cost you a bomb, but these ones retail for 31 rupees, which is insane. Can you guys actually believe it? 31 rupees for something super pretty. You don't even get this price at Janpat or Sarojini, to be very honest, for such good quality. Like I tried playing around and seeing if it would break. Sorry, I was being a little destructive here, but they did. Like nothing came off. The screw from the back didn't come off, the rhinestones didn't come off. It's good quality. Next we have these earrings. These are really pretty, like boho earrings. These are actually called Bohemia National bead hoop earrings, and they retail for 91 rupees, which is pretty cool. I love the tassel detailing that they've got at the bottom, and there's this really pretty like drop shape going all over, and even in the drop they've got these beads. You can wear this with a dress, like with a long white dress. It would look totally like super pretty. These would totally glam up the outfit, and the colors are just soft pastel colors, so I really love this. These next pair of earrings, I got a lot of questions about when I wore these in another video. You guys were like, we want a whole video on modern jewelry, so here it is. These are called Temperament long stud earrings. These are in the color gold, and they retail for 67 rupees, which again is a pretty good buy for something super elegant, super pretty. And if you're wearing anything that's really simple, like in the video that I wore these, I wore it with a plain white top, and these literally took that top from here to here. That's because the colors are so pretty together. Black and golden make for a really good combination. Alright, next up we have these circle flower earrings, and I absolutely love the detailing that they have going on. They've got these flowers. When I saw this initially, I felt like I'm not going to put this into the cart because these aren't pretty modern, these aren't with the vibe that I'm going for in this video. But then I realized that these would go so well with all my Indian attires. Like you guys love Indian wear. Whenever I do an Indian wear kurti video, y'all are like, wow, where did you get this from? Where did you get these earrings from? Those earrings from? This one is from Sell at Cost, 133 rupees, you guys. Insane. The best thing is, I don't know if you guys can see, but they've given these extra flowers just in case anything comes off. Because of like wear and tear, you can attach these with glue. So It's a really good thing. Now for some reason I am always obsessed with tassel earrings. Whenever I see tassel earrings, I feel like put that into the cart right now. So these ones are really elegant blue tassel earrings. Can you guys see how pretty these are? These are called plated charm thread tassel earrings in blue, and these retail for 93 rupees. Again, a really good buy for something so chic. Again, very bohemian in nature, right? So if you're wearing this with anything that's like flowy and elegant and really pretty that way, these would totally glam it up. Alright guys, our next earrings are called hollow square party drop earrings, and these are perfect for parties. Like, I'm not even kidding. These retail for 47 rupees. Can you guys? These are not even for 50 rupees. I mean, that is crazy. So like really pretty for western wear, for Indian wear, and the color is so pretty. No matter what you accessorize this with, it's literally like bomb. It's so pretty. The next ones are called free round hollow drop earrings. These again are really pretty. They've got something similar when we talk about the design, because these ones had something similar on the design, like some sort of jali work, and even these have like a very defined design. This retails for 32 rupees, which is now the prices on seller cost might differ. So when you buy it, you might find it for a higher price or a lower price. So when I bought it for 32 rupees. I will add a screenshot as well, so you guys can be sure about that. You can also find this on Club Factory, but on Club Factory the price is 123 rupees, while on seller cost I literally got it for 32. So you guys can actually see the difference, right? You save roughly 70 to 80 rupees by just shopping on seller cost. The next category we're going to be touching is the necklace category, and I got a bunch of chokers and pretty pendants. So this is the first one. It's a really pretty choker with 2 laces going around. So the first one has a really nice like arrow design, and the second one is like pretty simple. It's just like a plain chain. Now this retails for 46 rupees. Now since a really long time I had been looking for a really simple pendant, a really simple choker, whatever was like simple, dainty and elegant. So I got this ring necklace which looks really elegant, really simple. It's just got a nice little ring going on over here. Nothing else, that's about it. Just a chain and a ring. Looks really pretty when you wear it. I'm not kidding. I've worn it so many times with like low necks. So even with this, I'm telling you, if I wear these will look so nice. And this legit retails for 16 rupees. Just take a moment to let that sink in. This one on Club Factory retails for 101 rupees. I have it open right in front of my screen. And on seller cost, it's for 80. Can you guys imagine? It's like 83 rupees ka drop aapko dikhta hai wahan pe, from 101 to 18. Massive. The next one is actually one of my personal favorites. It's a multi-layer necklace. The first one right here has got a really nice like minimal straight line going on. Second one has these 3 beads, teal colored beads, and then the third one has a really nice eagle's eye wave. Again, you can wear this with low necks, you can wear it with a plunging neck, something like that. So it really accentuates your neckline. Now this multi-layer necklace retails for 91 rupees. This is one thing that I've always believed in, that no matter what you buy, no matter how much you buy it for, when you style it, when you wear it, it should look good. And if it doesn't, you don't get it even if it's for a very cheap price. So this one is just beautiful. It's gorgeous in all its totality. Next up, we have a multi-layer charm necklace. That's the name. It's called a multi-layer tassel charm necklace, and this retails for 53 rupees. It's got 3 layers again, 1, 2 and 3, and then basically again very monochrome, very minimalistic in design, nothing fancy, nothing very flashy. It's super long, so again with like really deep cuts with plunging necklines, you can wear this. Looks really beautiful. I've been looking for something like this for the longest time, and I've seen this in places like H&M and in places like Forever 21, and at H&M and Forever something like this would cost you around 250-300 rupees, but on seller cost you get it for 53. Next we come to the stationery and accessories section. So the first thing I got was this phone headset winder. So you know those cords that just intertwine into each other? This is perfect for that because this avoids all of that. So you basically put the wire through and through right here, and then you just, this is magnetic over here. So you just put these together. See? They have this in a bunch of colors, so I got the one in white. Next up we have a storage box. Now you can either put medicines or you can put your jewelry into it, like a little trinkets, clips, whatever you want. This retails for 25 rupees, which is a pretty cool amount for something really multi-utility. Next up I got one of my favorite items on earth, sticky notes. Guys, I love sticky notes. If you ever want to gift me anything, please give me sticky notes, because I use so many to write down video ideas, to write down college assignments, to write down literally everything. These retail for 26 rupees, and they've got a bunch of these with different colors, and they're all like from the same color family. So these are all from blue. And your girl also got another sticky note pad. I love these bunnies that they've got over here. This is why I actually got this. This retails for 42 rupees, and you get a bunch of like sheets. Each of these has 20 sheets below them. So these are like 4 into 20 and then this is 20 obviously. The last item from the stationery section has to be this. Now iPhone wires really break very easily. So I got this. It's called Mobile Phone Charging Cable Protective Bowline Protection Sleeve, which is a very fancy name for something that just protects your iPhone cable. Actually, by the way, everything comes really nicely packed in these plastic pouches. So you don't have to worry about the packaging and all. So basically you get these two things and you have to put this right across each other whenever your cable sort of gets disconnected from wherever it's like tearing apart from. So it'll kind of form a sleeve around your cable and will help it to stay the way it is without adding more wear and tear to it. Next up, I'll be showing you some of my absolute favorite bags. So this is the first bag that I got. It's in the color ivory and this retails for 384 rupees and I just really liked it. I love the size. It's just something I was looking for. Loved the space that it has inside and I also loved the length of the chain that is there. Can you guys see? It's like the perfect length. I didn't want anything shorter or anything longer than this. So just overall it had my eyes on it and I love the black sort of detailing and the golden detailing that's going on. Love the color and I got something similar in black as well because I loved the ivory one so much. I was like, you know what, let me just get 2 of these. Again, love the length, love the color. Black and golden just gives such a royal, such a nice rich vibe to the whole thing. The price for both of these remain the same. They're both crossbody bags and when you open it, super spacious. Can you guys see? It just looks super pretty and super elegant and yeah, just really love these. You guys will literally see me carry this so often in so many Instagram pictures, which does remind me, if you're not following me on Instagram, my ID is linked down below in the description box, so do check that out. I will also leave all the details about sell at cost in the description box, so make sure you check that out as well. Alright you guys, next up is a waterproof travel storage bag. Now this is really cool. I've seen this on Amazon so often. I was looking for a makeup bag and I saw this so often on Amazon and that was all like pretty expensive, but this one was for 141 rupees, which is crazy. And you can put all of your makeup into this. You can put whatever, like if you're traveling and you want to put something, this is waterproof. The whole material is waterproof, so really good quality. They do have this in a bunch of other colors as well. Hot pink, baby pink, there's light blue, dark blue. So again, a lot of color options are there, so you guys can choose what you want. Next up, I got a portable outdoor emergency bag. This is like a first aid bag and it's got these really cute pouches. Not cute, but like really practical pouches going on inside. This is the first one. You guys can see it's like a little see-through pocket. And then they've got one over here, there's one over here, one over here. So really good for like all of your first aid needs whenever you're going traveling, or you can just keep this in the car. It's just a really nice sanitary way to keep all of your first aid stuff. It's like a nice first aid pouch. You can also use it for a lot of other things. You can carry your passport or whatever you want to carry. To be honest, that's like totally your call. But I'm just trying to show you the number of pouches it has and how practical and convenient this is. So it's perfect, makes for the perfect first aid pouch. And this retails just for 93 rupees. You get this in red and in blue. I got this one in blue because red just seemed like a very hospital color to me. Next up, we have 3 items that I could not fit into any other category. The first one are these eyeglasses. So these are really pretty, really chic. I love the white detailing. I'm actually just gonna pop these on right now. This retails for 220 rupees and I've honestly seen like these clear frame glasses do rounds on Instagram and on YouTube. Literally every other YouTuber is wearing these, so I wanted to try these out for myself. So just looks really pretty, really elegant and really classy. Okay, next we have a striped shirt and this is how it looks, you guys. So you can even take it off shoulder. Looks really pretty. So this one is in the size small and it's good material as well, and it's like a really nice loose shirt, so really comfortable. I like to roll the sleeves up so it gives a very nice, like a business casual sort of a vibe. This I bought for 367 rupees from Sell at Cost, and they have a bunch of other clothes as well on the website, so you can definitely see what they have in stock, and whatever they don't will be in stock very soon, so you guys can definitely like put stuff that you want in your cart for now, and then whenever they restock you can also put in new stuff into your cart. The last item that I have for you guys right here is this very pretty star-shaped clip. You basically can just sort of put in your hair over here and then just kind of like put that in over there. So it looks really pretty. They have this in a bunch of other designs as well. So this is the star shape. They have I think a moon shaped one. They have a bunch of shapes. You guys can check that out. Looks really cute, really classy, really elegant. Love the golden thing, and all their stuff is like, it's not very tacky, it's not very loud. It's just simple, sober. It's kind of subtle. This I got for 31 rupees and it's a really nice addition into all of the trinkets that I got. That was about it. Those were all of the products that I got from Sell at Cost. The links to the website and to the app will be in the description box below, so make make sure you check that out. They also have a very exciting VIP membership. So if you are a VIP member, you don't need to pay any sort of advertising fee, member service fee, all of that is not there for you. So basically they don't make any profit. No matter how many items you buy, it's all for you. They don't get anything out of this except the VIP fees that I talked about. And as a VIP member, what do you get? There's special services, clearance specials, customized products. You also get a lot of other exciting benefits as a VIP member, so you guys should definitely check it out. Links in the description box below. You can get VIP for 1 rupee, and I'll tell you how. This is actually a very interesting thing. What you can do is get a group to buy VIP together. So suppose one person buys the VIP for 7 days for say 99 rupees and then gives the invitation code to the second person, and the second person purchases the VIP, you get 98 rupees back. So the second person has paid 50 rupees for the VIP and gives the invitation code to the third person. The third person gets it for 33 rupees and 49 rupees go back to the second person. So as the third person gives the code to the fourth person, the fourth gives it to the fifth person, your VIP starts getting cheaper and you start getting a refund of the difference amount. So what I'm trying to say here is you basically get it for 1 rupee. So when you are going to buy VIP, there will be an option of group VIP. So just click on that and send an invite code to your friends, invite more people to join, and you will get a really cheap VIP membership. The money will be returned to you after 72 hours. I will leave the invitation code to my group VIP as well. So if you guys want, you can be a part of my group from there. I do want to clarify the shipping fees once. The shipping fees is a little high, but that's only because whatever products you're buying have to come all the way from another country, right? So if you actually think about it, if you divide the shipping amount by the number of products that you're buying, you will see that the products are still pretty reasonable and they're not at all super expensive. So just think of it that way. Don't see the shipping amount as a whole. See it when you divide it with the number of items, and you will understand what I'm trying to talk about. And that's about it. Those were all of the products that I got. Really reasonable, really affordable and good quality products. So definitely give it a try. Buy some stuff for yourself because I absolutely loved it and I really hope you liked it too. That's about it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.